email marketing still works. In today's video, you are going to learn how to write killer email subjects so that you can promote more of your products using email. How to write killer email subject lines. Let's have a look. Always remember this. Your email address or your email database is your most valuable asset because they have given you their contact details so that you can contact them when you need. That is a collection of your loyal fans. That means your ideal prospects. Your email list can be considered as a collection of ideal prospect or qualified lead as well. The best thing about email marketing that is never affected by SEO or other algorithm changes in Google. So let's have a look at how you can write killer subject lines for your email. First, you have to identify the objective of the subject line. The objective is making them open your email. That is the objective, nothing else. So don't try to hard sell using your subject line. Give them a reason to open the email right now. Have a clear benefit about the offer that you are promoting. Also, make sure to avoid spammy words because nowadays email servers are intelligent enough to capture all spam emails and deleting them. Tip number 2. Tip number 2 is this. Personalize your email subject. If you have the first name of the customer, use it in the subject line. At the same time, give them a warm welcome in the first email of your email sequence. Also, show that you are grateful to have them in your email list. Give them something of value for free. Your email subject should be benefit driven. That way, it will have higher open rate. The next step is match the two. So, what are these two? You have to match the subject line and the email body. If you trigger curiosity in the subject line, you have to give answers in the email body. Always remember that. At the same time, remember that consistency is important. You have to be consistent about the message in your email subject and the copy. Use a simple language in your email message. Always use simple language. Don't use complex language. At the same time, don't exaggerate about your offer. Genuinely tell what your offer is about. That way, your message will be more believable to your audience. Tip number 4. Tip number 4 is this. Emphasize the value, not the features. In other words, highlight the benefits. Don't ever forget about the WIIFM. What is WIIFM? What is in it for me? Understand that the customers care about them. Not you, not your company, not your product. They care about themselves. So you have to understand that. Subject line is the trigger. If you remember the intention of email subject line, that means getting them opening your email. Be concise in your email subject lines. Don't beat around the bush. Mention clearly about the benefit. At the same time, help the reader genuinely even in your email message. He or she might not buy right now, but at a later time, he or she will become a buyer. So help them genuinely. Let's move to the next tip. Tip number 5. This or that. What do I mean by this? Never assume that you have written the perfect subject line. You have to test it and identify. Here, make sure that you test each and every subject line that you think that might work, because the marketplace never lies. The marketplace always gives you genuine feedback, and it will tell you the results of your test. Numbers don't lie. You have to understand that. Always test your email subjects and email body copy using different combinations and use the best performing emails in your live campaign. Make sure to record everything, every number related to your opening rate and click through rate. That way you will be able to come up with a compelling email campaign. So that is for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Click the subscribe button now. Also click the bell icon to enable notifications. That way, you'll be the first to know when I release a new video.